Thank you for joining us today. My name is Pavel Czech. I'm the CEO of NativelyAI. We've partnered with Vultr for the last months, developing a completely new way for developers and non-developers to bring software to life. I'm very excited to show you this new system today. We're going to go from the idea phase and talking about what you can build to actually seeing it being built in real time and deployed. And it's going to take roughly 10 to 15 minutes, start to finish. So code is becoming content. We've all heard that English is the new coding language. And effectively today, it's been said even during the keynote that compute is electricity. But it does matter where it comes from. So the price matters, the effectiveness matters, and it's very important that when you build, you pick the top models, but you also pick the top deployment mechanisms. So code is now very much a commodity. The barrier was there for many, many years, but it's no longer a scarce resource. You probably heard this across your social media feeds, you've seen this on podcasts, but code is no longer something that is inaccessible. So anybody and everybody can code. But it's important that there's a communication layer. So you shouldn't be burning through hundreds and hundreds of dollars of tokens per day for each agent and for each code request that you're making. You should be creating a communication layer between the human and the AI. Effectively, the human in the loop is still needed, even if just to press the big red button as the kill switch so it doesn't eat up all your tokens and all your credits. But you can execute any type of software you like. But there's no moat anymore. So it's very important that you pick the right tools and the right cloud providers, the right deployment mechanism, because it can be the difference between spending 40 and 50% less on the type of applications that you build. Building right now is easy, but what we're also bringing to developers is the ability to monetize their software. So today, most apps that are developed don't reach more than 100 users. The exposure to infrastructure is very difficult. It's very difficult to scale normally if you're an individual developer. And Natively and Vultr make that problem completely go away. So when you build with Natively, deploy on Vultr, effectively it means that you can scale to hundreds of data centers, you can be multi-territory, multinational instantly, you can comply with any local security measures, any local data compliance measures. And we believe that monetization should be embedded from day one. So think about software more like a life cycle system and no longer prototyping. You can go from idea to building to deployment and exposure to global communities instantly. What normally took months and years to develop now can be done in a matter of minutes. So there's a few core principles that this system allows you to do. First of all, you can define the economic value before writing code. So you can know how much is it going to cost to run your application. And being able to predict that with Vultr is extremely important to us. So we need to know before we build something, before we deploy, whether it's an individual startup prototype or it's an enterprise-grade system, you should know how much is going to fast. You need to ship fast. So there is no 30-day cycle, no 1-week cycle, no sprint cycle. Idea to deployment takes 15 minutes, so you shouldn't wait. And you can instantly close the loop between the user and the iteration. So you can deploy the software, instantly have users test it. On top of that, you can integrate acquisition, loyalty, virality into the logic of the product. So you no longer have to think about, okay, how do I gamify it later? How do I create the marketing extension later? You do it instantly while the AI builds your application. And all you have to do is let it handle the execution and you supervise the direction. So the new developer doesn't compete with AI. Um, you have to orchestrate AI. You have to own the lifecycle and stick to the execution constraint. Uh, what's very important is still human judgment. So I'm not in any way saying that engineers are not relevant. It's just the way that they work with um, tools like this and with the deployment capacity globally has changed. So far, in the last 3 years, we've managed to attract 250,000 developers to our system. We've shipped more than 10,000 apps, thousands of products deployed to production, and hundreds of these went into full funding. So more than 200 projects went into full funding. Um, and today, thanks to our integration with Vultr, that cycle is shifting from a 3, 6, 12-month cycle to a one-day cycle. You can build, deploy, and ship all in one day, find monetization, find traction, all in one day. So, we've been going all around the world, thanks to our partners. We started a year ago, almost, in the Louvre, 9 months ago, by building the set of these partnerships, and then later on in New York, and now we're opening this platform in beta, so anybody here can come up to me later, I'll give you access to the beta. We're onboarding the first 300 developers to the full production system, so you can be the first ones, and you will also get access to Vultr credits. You'll be able to build, deploy, run your software in real time. So far, the community has created more than 5,000 prototypes. So I'm going to now show how you can build it live. So we're going to start with a structured plan, build the full application, deploy on Vultr, and have it ready to use. Because of connectivity, I am going to show a video. And I'm going to walk you through it. So what we're going to do is we're going to build an application. So you're building your own piece of software. This is nobody else's software. You own it, start to finish. The software will be able to digest any data file, any Excel file, and it will be able to show you a visual representation of that, either in 3D, in graph, or in a deployable website. So with Vultr, you can effectively create a data source that's persistent and have thousands of people online be able to access that data source fully in a secure environment without access to the source data. So they can only review the analytics, right? So this applies to any big company that wants to share information or you wanting to create a data structure for you. So very similar to Perplexity Computer, you just drop in your PRD, and then the agents inside the software are divided between assistant, a design agent, a front-end developer agent, back-end developer agent, and then thanks to Vultr, now we have an agent that handles the DevOps as well. Right now you can see the system is building in real time, and it's ready for you. So you can now start to chat with your data. This is fully private. This is running an open source model, Kimi K2. So I brought my own model to this conversation. I'm not using anybody else's tokens. I'm not using any of Anthropic, OpenAI, no Google models, full open source models. And thanks to this, my data stays fully in my agentic virtual machine that is sitting on top of Vultr. So this particular AVM is running fully on top of Vultr, and it's elastic. So you can scale it to have 10,000 people access it or 10 people access it. All you have to do is drag and drop any data file, any Excel file, and it becomes a fully interactive way to interact with that structured data. You can chat with it, you can interact with it, ask it questions, you can ask it to build additional features, turn it into graphs, maps, node databases, 3D world models. And as you can see, with one click, we are publishing to Vultr. So all you have to do is bring your API key that I'm sure the team here will be able to provide you with, and credits. So all you do is put your API key in, and it's configuring and setting up the server fully autonomously. It's setting up your service, and it will now deploy your app onto this architecture. So as you can see, in less than 5 minutes, you're able to tell the AI what kind of software you'd like to build, and it's now live, fully working, fully operational. You can now add authentication, passwords, you can upload additional files, you can basically upload your whole company database, but very important, it never left your Vultr instance. Yeah? It never left your agentic virtual machine. Nobody else has access to this, but you can fully externalize it, you can make this data available as an application to the outside world. So I'm very happy to answer any questions, show you a little bit more about what we're doing. And please, if you want access to the beta, come talk to me. If you get access to the beta, you'll also get tokens from Vultr, and you can deploy your app today. That's it. Thank you very much, everybody.